Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the derived characters of birds. With the process of evolution, as birds have been evolved from reptiles, with the process of evolution they have acquired certain characteristics which are pretty unique to the birds, which is not present in any of the other group of vertebrates. The fossil evidence shows, and the comparative anatomy also suggests that their ancestors were reptiles. And a certain fossil record has also strengthened this claim that these birds, they evolved from some reptiles, from flying reptiles. For example, Archaeopteryx, it possessed the characters of both reptiles and birds. It had feathers, it could fly just like the birds. So the scientist believes that these reptiles were actually the ancestors of modern day birds. As you can see here in this figure, this is the fossilized Archaeopteryx, which is a reptile. You can see the wing-like structures of Archaeopteryx are observed in nature, and these are the structures which helped these reptiles to fly and invade skies, and these have been inherited to these birds, and these birds, they have acquired this characteristics of flying. Birds, other than this flying, they have astonishing other characters that distinguish them from the other vertebrates. For example, their feathers. These are very distinguishing characters which are not present in any other group of vertebrates. Other than feathers, these birds are warm-blooded animals, which means they are endotherms. It is required in order to have a prolonged flight at different temperatures in the air. They also have 4 chambers heart which efficiently pumps blood into the body. They have large brain and eyes that can sense even ultraviolet light. Their head is supported by long mobile neck with very complex muscle control. Their large brain facilitates the cognition and sensory perception, so including the vision as well. So they also have the exceptional hearing abilities. They can hear the long wavelength sounds. Their digestive system is very efficient. It helps the bird rapidly convert food into a usable energy, which is required to the bird when it's frequently flying. Then they have enhanced skeletal rigidity. This rigidity is very essential for flight control and maneuverability, the movement in the air. There is a special cluster of feathers which is called alula. It is present on the tip of their head that breaks turbulence over wings. Birds have special organs called air sacs which are attached to their lungs. These air sacs store extra air, due to which birds' lungs could have continuous supply of air to get the oxygen from them and efficiently help it to produce energy. They have rapidly beating hearts so that they could get enough energy in a quick form in order to sustain their flights. They also have hollow bones, due to which they have light skeleton. It helps them in flight for a long time. These are the derived characters which are very special and they are not present in other vertebrates.